Hello kiddos, let's learn animals named from N to Z. Narwhal.
Narwhals are often called the unicorns of the sea because they have horns. This horn is sensitive to the temperature and chemicals in the environment.
Ostrich.
Ostriches look like big birds. They have a round body, a long neck, and long legs. They can't fly, but they can run very fast.
Penguin.
Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. They are good swimmers and catch fish in the sea for their food.
Queen bee.
Queen bee is typically used to refer to an adult bee. They lay a lot of eggs every day. To spot a queen bee, find the bee with a longer belly than the other bees.
Raccoon.
Raccoons look like thieves wearing masks because they have black fur around their eyes. Raccoons are omnivores, meaning they will eat both plants and other animals.
Squirrel.
Squirrels love eating acorns and nuts. They like to bury some nuts in the tree, but sometimes they forget where they buried them.
Tiger.
The tiger is the largest wild cat in the world. Tigers have stripes on their bodies. They like to eat meat and hunt their prey.
Urial.
Urial came from the same family as sheep. Male Urials have a long and curly horn. They live in the mountains and love eating plants and grass.
Vulture bird.
A vulture is a bald bird that eats dead animals. Without them, the dead animal will rot and smell. They help humans clean up the environment.
Whale.
Whales are the biggest mammals in the world. Even though they live in the ocean, whales are not fish.
X-ray tetra.
The X-ray tetra is a small fish that has a transparent body. It's naturally found in the Amazon River. They are usually kept as pets in aquariums.
Yak.
The yak looks like a huge, hairy cow. They live high in the mountains. It is very cold there. But yaks can live there because they have thick hair.
Zebra.
The zebra looks like a horse. It has black and white stripes on its body. The fun fact about zebras is that they sleep standing up.
Well done for today. If you like learning in a fun way, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. See you in the next video.